I'm going to go ahead and cut my Jiffy transfers, my DTF transfers that I got from Jiffy. After I cut them all out, I'm going to sort them into individual piles because they're different sizes based on the size t-shirt. One down, a whole bunch more to go. And FYI, it is okay for me to show this. This is my great-grandmother. We're having her 100th birthday party. And again, my family ordered, I didn't realize how crazy I looked over here on this side. We are having her 100th birthday party and everybody wanted some shirts. So I'm in charge of making the shirts. And they all just say happy 100th birthday with her name on the bottom. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get to work on cutting these out. Almost messed up. I don't know why they came with this little rainbow strip on the bottom. I don't recall seeing anybody else's, like on social media, coming with this little rainbow strip. Maybe they used a different provider or used somebody closer to me. Maybe, I don't know. After I ordered from there, I did see a lot of reviews in like the TikTok comments about how they have been moving slower compared to usual and all of these nightmare things that the transfers are gonna come out messed up. And I really did not want that to happen. That was like a fear that I was having. But so far so good. Since I'm still sick, I only had one order to pack, and that was a jacket that you guys just watched me pack. I need to finish these shirts. I have a box full of shirts that I need to get finished ASAP because they're wanting to do the family reunion thing around Thanksgiving. So this will be my only opportunity to do these shirts while I have downtime. I'm thinking about getting a part-time job because I don't get many sales as I used to, which is okay because I still have other money coming from other sources. It is about to be the holiday season, so I would like to have some extra funds to get some good gifts for my family, even though everybody buys what they want as soon as they see it. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to get these shirts done. I'm going to sit here and try to press all of them while I have some free time, and so that I'm not contaminating everything, even though I'm washing my hands using hand sanitizer. I actually have my hand sanitizer right here. One moment. I have my hand sanitizer right here. This is the Candy Apple Cauldron from Bath and Body Works. Once I press all of these shirts, I'm going to bag them all up with you. I'm going to press them all first because I can bag them all later. I'm going to press them all and then bag them, and then I can finally get this box out of the middle of my floor. That's the only thing in the box is the shirts and the stuff for the shirts. So then I can get rid of this pile, and then my office space will start looking not junky anymore. I don't want to hear your comments. Your craft room looks a mess. I'm sorry. I don't have enough space. I still keep buying product every day. And we're going to need to do a full office organization video at some point. Looks like the heat press has fully warmed up. As you can hear, it is not making a sound anymore. So I'm going to go press the shirts. Okay, I finished all of the small and the medium shirts. I need to pull the rest of the shirts out of the box and make sure they have the right design size on top. I'm going to go ahead and bag all of these shirts up and tag them, and then we will get back to pressing again. I just bagged up all of these shirts right here. I still have several more to do, but I just went ahead and bagged them up so I can show you guys what they look like in the bag. I just need to put size stickers on all of them. And then I also want to put some kind of t-shirt care card in it so that they know it's best to wash it inside out and best to not put heat on the design. I mean, you can put heat on the design, but for longevity purposes, I prefer for nobody to put heat on the design. You're always more than welcome to do what you want to do, but that's just me. I got this original order. I'm gonna tag the video here for you guys. I got the order for this months ago. This was like, but it is October 16th, so they probably won't need these until November for Thanksgiving, like I said, but I might as well go ahead and knock them out while I have nothing else to do, because you never know what you're going to be doing weeks or days from now as a small business or even as an entrepreneur. You have no clue what the days are going to be like. Every day is different. I'm also going to put like my QR code and stuff on them, scan it, and go to my website. Now I'm on to pressing the largest. I just bagged up all of these small, mediums, and the children's shirt. So now I'm going to lay out the designs for all of the large and then go ahead and press them. This is all of the size large shirts done. I'm going to bag them up with you guys.
Additional food, medicine, and clothing will be provided upon arrival. Bring your children forward. The gates will open.
This is how much I've gotten done. I did half of the t-shirts, I believe, or maybe a little under half. Those are all of the shirts that I still need to do. I need to get this vlog up, get all of this footage and put it on my computer so that I can edit it, so that you guys will have a vlog for today, which is October 16th, but the vlog won't come out until tomorrow, the 17th. I'm a day behind. I was doing everything. I was days ahead and then I got sick. So now I'm just in limbo with my content. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's Vlogtober video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys tomorrow.